Welcome and welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to make juicy garlic Osso Buco. So if video was helpful, please guys give a thumbs up and also write a comment down below. Without wasting time, let's get into our cooking. Alright guys, these are our Osso Buco, as you can see there. So as we are waiting for the fire, let's get into preparing the Osso. Yeah, so guys, we want the Osso to cook tender and also soft. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap it into the half foil and then baking paper. Once we get the baking paper, we put once on it. Yeah. We gotta need a onion for the flavor. Yeah. Yeah. That's amazing. We'll also add some garlic. You can add grinded garlic or you can put it all. The cloves, yeah, yes. So put a garlic over there. It's for the flavor. Yeah, we got a rosemary. You can get a rosemary right from the garden. Wash it off. Add in there. Yeah. And also we'll grind salt. That's good. Yeah, amazing. So guys, the reason why we are wrapping the Osso in the baking paper is we want it to cook soft, and also as you can see, it was cut a little bit junky, so we want to make sure it's really cooked. Yeah, cool. All right, let's wrap it in there. Yeah, there you go. As simple as that. Yeah, sweet potatoes, guys. I'm just gonna cook it on the side, yeah? Yeah guys, so that is the potatoes. It's all done there. So I'm gonna wash it. All right, for this one, I'll only put a salt. Yeah, a lot of salt. And I'm gonna wrap it in the foil as well. Good. I got it there. So guys, this guava. We can have a massive one there. Almost ready. Yeah. So the fire's ready, as you can see there. I'm gonna spread the fire. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. That'll get right down. I'll start with the Osso Buco, so that's what Osso Buco, I'll put it there. Yeah. And this one. And then the potatoes will come this side. 1. And 2. Yeah. That's good. I'll close it. My tomato is just dry now. Yeah, you can see. Yuri. It's roasting there. All right, guys. I got the Osso out. Let's have a look. And then we'll marinate. Aha, that's good. Amazing. Wow. All right. I'll put it in here. All right. These are the bone marrow. So the bone marrow, I'm gonna put it in here. So we use for mixing the spices. So you can see there. Yeah. You can see that's a bone marrow. Yeah. So I use for the spices. Wait. All right, let's mix the spices, guy. All right. All right, for the spices, we're gonna put an onion. That is onion and garlic. Yeah. That is black pepper. Coriander. Yeah. Coriander chop. Got olive oil. Yeah. This is a chili, ground chili. 1 spoon. Paprika. I put 1 and 2 spoon. I put 2 spoon. That is garlic powder. 1 spoon. And also, I'll put onion powder. Onion powder, which is 1 spoon. Yeah. And salt. Yeah, that's good. Then we'll mix. Color. Yeah, that's good. Then now come the osso. Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah. Then either use your hand, just mash it there, mix it nicely. Look at that color, guys. Yeah, now it's time to grill. So nice. And also, guys, it's time to cook a chili. Yeah, I put the chili there. There you go. Brilliant. You can see the potatoes cook. Yeah, but we're gonna grill more. Yeah. Yeah, it's ready. Yeah. Yeah, our potato is ready, guys. And so the chili. All right, there you go, guys. That's it. It's all done.